Hello, guys. Welcome back to SSFX Academy. Wishing you all a happy new year and a profitable 2023 ahead. I'm here with SuperNev FX. We're here in Cape Town, currently on vacation, but I thought we'd sit down with you guys and do a quick breakdown on what we expect and anticipate going forward into this new year, especially on NASDAQ 100, US30. As you know, we are indices traders. We don't trade any crypto, we don't trade currencies, etc. So yeah, I think we'll head straight into the charts. Let me just share my screen here with you guys. Okay, so I want to quickly break down US30. As you can see, we've been pretty much in a descending channel for the duration of 2022. We all know that, the US is expecting a recession this year. So we can expect some downward momentum. However, we've still got to trade what we see in front of us. US30 has been in this channel for quite some time now, and we've actually had a breakout to the upside in this area here and somewhat of a retest down here. So according to what we're looking at right now, we are trading bullish structure on the daily time frame. We've also got some sort of correction that occurred up here. You can call it a bullish flag as well. So that area is your correction. We're looking to break out to the upside of this currently. You would be looking for a long position. You're long starting on the retest of this correction down here. I would like to see price take out this high before I get into the market. So you want to see something like this happen. You want to see price break the structure here and come back on another retest, and then we can expect further momentum to the upside. However, if we look at it, just forecasting with this whole recession coming up, the alternative to that is we could actually see a fake out above this correction. So we take this high, collect some liquidity above these highs, and we might even see something like this where we target these lows down here. So I'm referring to this low here, as well as this volume imbalance that sits along this area currently on our daily chart. So that would be a short position that we'd look at. We need to see some sort of, change in character occur up here. And when I mean change of character, I want to see something like this, where you got a lower low, and then you take out the lower low and come back for the lower high, and we continue to the downside. So I want to see something like that happen on the lower time frames, particularly your 4 hour, your 4 hour, your 1 hour, and your 30-minute. So those are the time frames I'm looking at on those moves. Confluence for this would be, this is also a good area for your inverted head and shoulders. So if you look at it, we've got the inverted head and shoulders that sit in this area. So we've got the left shoulder, we've got the head, we've got the neckline that forms here, and we could come down for this right shoulder in this area. So that's a good short to look at. And what happens during, like during COVID, for example, we had that big drop and price immediately rallied to the upside. So I am looking for something like this later on in the year, where we get that big drop and then we get that push back up to these levels, 36,000 level, etc. Okay, so we go on to the 4 hour. Areas of interest now on the 4 hour would obviously be where if we've got demand sitting down there that needs to be mitigated. You can see these are good target areas on the sell. These lows. And we've also got a demand level that sits at this area here. So you are looking at a demand area there in line with our head and shoulder. So we get our right shoulder in that area. Okay, we can look at NASDAQ quickly. NASDAQ's an interesting one. I'm expecting price to drop a little bit further on NASDAQ, and I'll show you guys why. Okay, so on NASDAQ, we've got this descending channel. Again, it's been ongoing for the past year, since Jan 2022. And we actually haven't broken out of this channel. Okay, if I go to the weekly time frame, I'm going to draw your attention to this area here, or this trend line, support trend line, where we've got the first touch, second touch, and we have yet to get the third touch. So I'm expecting price to still, if the US announces that recession, we'll get a drop down to this level here, between 8,000 and 9,000. And that, for me, would signal a good U-turn in the market to potentially break out of this channel, come back for the retest on the backside of that channel. So you're looking at this here. So you want to see the retest down there. And then we'll get that next push up, or the next rally up to the upside. That would be, we would look for a buying opportunity at this area here. That's my buying opportunity area, 8,000 to 9,000. So, like I said, if the US announces a recession, we could potentially see NASDAQ dropping to the 8,000 level before we U-turn. And that's basically my bias on US100. There will be, huge volatility during this period. You guys need to trade carefully. There will be big opportunities in the market. Identifying your opportunities and choosing the right ones is crucial to your success this year. So with that being said, I wish you everything of the best. If you guys are interested in trading with us, myself, with Supernev, you guys can sign up to my online course. It's www.ssforexacademy.com. And our recommended broker is Infinox. That's www.infinox.com. I will drop a link in the description box below, so you guys can check out that link. And signing up is pretty easy. We've got the lowest spreads. You can start from 0.01 lots. And let me just run you through the signing up process. We've got, so when you log in, let's just go back. When you log in, it'll take you to this landing page. You can sign up here. Let's continue. Click on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, depending on your preference. Fill in your details, your name, your surname, your email address, cell phone number, currency, your language, etc. It will take you to the next page where you'll be required to put in to submit your documents for verification. If you are having any problems with your verification, just pop me a message on the chat box below or on my Telegram at Shakil_SS Forex. And yeah, I'll assist you. I'll get my team to help you guys out and smooth the process. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll be back with more content for you guys during 2023. Cheers.